Anam. I'm one of the healthcare providers at RAS Med. I'm one of the PAs and a part of the team here. We would like to introduce ourselves. We're the family medicine here. We're helping the Nassau County community. We offer primary care service, internal medicine service, any sick patients, immigration forms, suboxones. We do pretty much a lot of things here, and we're looking to serve you guys. Welcome.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.